Is it possible that you're holding your iPhone 17 Pro Max wrong? Think about it. We spend thousands on these devices, yet one slip can turn our investment into a shattered mess. But what if you could have a case that protects your phone from even the most epic drops while still looking sleek and being totally functional? We're diving into the absolute best drop protection cases for the new iPhone 17 Pro Max so you can find the perfect shield for your daily life. All the links are in the description. 9. Spigen Tough Armor T MagFit. The Spigen Tough Armor T MagFit is for those who are serious about protection but don't want to sacrifice convenience. It's got a layered defense system with a mix of TPU, PC, and special XRD impact foam so it can handle some serious tumbles. The design is engineered to absorb and disperse shock, safeguarding your phone from all angles. Plus, it has a built-in kickstand for hands-free viewing and a cool touch-sensitive camera button that keeps your lens safe while staying responsive. It's a solid, all-in-one package that feels great in your hand and keeps your phone ready for anything. The raised bezels around the screen and camera island add another layer of security against scratches. What do you think about the capacitive camera button? Let me know in the comments. 8. ESR Cyber Series Cyber Tough. The ESR Cyber Tough case hits a sweet spot between being super tough and staying practical for everyday use. It offers 7x military-grade drop protection, which is more than enough for most accidents, giving you incredible peace of mind without the excessive bulk. It also has a built-in camera control button and a kickstand that tucks away neatly. The MagSafe connection is strong and the case feels sturdy and reliable. It's not as bulky as some of the more heavy-duty brands, but provides more protection than a typical slim case. This is the smart, balanced choice for someone who wants a rugged case that doesn't feel like a tank and still allows for easy pocket access. 7. UAG Monarch Pro. Talk about a case that's ready for battle. The UAG Monarch Pro is an absolute beast, offering a 5-layer defense system that's been drop tested from up to 25 feet. This incredible rating means it's built to withstand the kind of accidents that would destroy most other phones. With a sturdy core, a durable frame, and metal hardware, this case is built for the most rugged adventures. It's got MagSafe support, oversized tactile buttons, and even anchor points for a lanyard. While it's definitely on the bulkier and pricier side, if you're someone who is constantly putting your phone through the ringer, this case is peace of mind in a very tough package. 6. BENKS ArmorAir Kevlar. The BENKS ArmorAir Kevlar case is pure elegance meets impressive strength. It's unbelievably thin and light, using real DuPont Kevlar fiber to provide solid protection without the bulk. This is the case for someone who wants to protect their phone without compromising on style. The MagSafe connection is strong and seamless, and the texture feels premium and resists fingerprints. It's a minimalist dream, giving you a sleek look and a reliable feel. Although its drop protection isn't as high as the more rugged options, its unique blend of lightweight design and surprising durability makes it a top contender for daily protection. 5. FNTCASE. The FNTCASE is for the person who needs rugged protection on a budget. This case comes packed with a built-in screen protector, corner airbags, and a kickstand, all for a super affordable price. It's got a military-grade aesthetic and even includes a detachable belt clip holster for true hands-free use. The design might not have the high-end feel of some of the other cases on this list, and some past models had issues with kickstands and dust, but for the price, it delivers on its promise of all-around protection and functionality, making it a truly practical choice for the cost-conscious user. 4. TORRAS Q3 Spin. The TORRAS Q3 Spin is a fantastic case that promises real-world usefulness without any gimmicks. Its standout feature is a 360 DG rotatable ring that's made from an aluminum alloy and doubles as a sturdy stand and a strong MagSafe grip. You get solid shock resistance up to 8-foot drops thanks to reinforced corners and airbag technology. The magnetic strength is powerful, ensuring all your MagSafe accessories click in and stay put. In real life, the case feels rugged but sensible, with a refined textured frame that's grip-friendly. It's the perfect case for someone who wants protection, a propping function, and a clean look without carrying around a brick. 3. i-Blason Aries Flip. The i-Blason Aries Flip is a full-body armor suit for your iPhone. This case features a built-in tempered glass screen protector and a unique camera stand kickstand made of a durable zinc alloy. With a beefy N52 magnet, your MagSafe accessories will stay firmly attached. It's built to survive 20-foot drops, so you can feel secure no matter what. The copper conductive camera button is a neat touch, making it easy to snap a shot. This one is all about providing maximum protection and useful features without any frills, ensuring your phone is completely encased and ready for anything. 2. CASEKOO Magnetic Invisible Stand. The CASEKOO case is the perfect blend of stealth and substance. Its standout feature is the invisible stand that folds seamlessly into the back of the case so you get hands-free viewing without any added bulk. It offers military-grade drop protection and a frosted semi- and transparent matte finish that resists fingerprints and yellowing. The MagSafe integration is flawless, and it's all offered at a fantastic price point. It's a great option for anyone who wants a clean look, smart functionality, and serious protection, proving that you don't have to sacrifice style for security. 1. TORRAS Ostand Q3 Spin. And our winner is the TORRAS Ostand Q3 Spin. This case truly stands out from the crowd. It's compact and lightweight, yet still packs a military-grade punch with shock protection up to 8 feet. The fully rotatable 360D ring with a sturdy locking mechanism is an absolute game changer, letting you prop your phone at any angle for video calls or media, and it's rated for over 30,000 cycles. It also boasts a powerful N52 magnet for a reliable MagSafe connection. The textured frame feels premium and the overall design is sleek and refined. While it might not have the highest drop rating on this list, it takes the crown for its perfect combination of top-tier functionality, reliable protection, and a premium design that simply makes your daily life with your iPhone better. So which case is your personal favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. All the links are in the description.